Use. Replace your lost or worn-out power cord for a PC, monitor, TV, printer, scanner, or any PC-related device. Compatible. Use this power cord for PC or TV devices using a 3-pin power connection to a wall outlet. All listed. This ensures safety and compliance for a long-lasting performance. Lifetime warranty. This cable is guaranteed by C2G for its endurance with our lifetime warranty. Replace your overused or misplaced power cable, or just get some extra cords for convenience. This universal power cord is designed to work with most PCs, monitors, scanners, printers and other devices that use the 3-pin shroud power connector. Plus this heavy-duty 18 Aruban Florence cord features a fully molded design for maximum durability and long life. The female connector plugs directly into the device while the male connector plugs into a standard outlet. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I needed. Just the right length. Super well made. Thank you.